Okay, so these walls are all wet shimmed. I just want to show you how effective that is. So I'm just going to show you how good that sticks to that when you wet shim.
So I have several videos on wet shimming, and that's when you apply a bead of thin set to the stud to further mount instead of having to apply shims and sister up other studs to get the wall to be flat. You can wet shim it, and I'll link to that video in probably in the cards, and I might even put one in the description below so that you can see what actually wet shimming is. But I just want to point out in this video just how effective that is, and how well the thin set bonds to the stud, and how well the kerdi-board bonds to the thin set.
Well, that's it. So you get a nice bead. You get a flat wall. Studs, as usual, way out of whack. Like good 3/8 of an inch there, an eighth maybe there, an eighth there, and they're all like that. That's pretty typical. Flat wall. So I made up these niches to go in here.
So another time saver is pre-made niches, or cubbies, or recessed alcove, or whatever you want to call it. The pre-made ones save a lot of time because they're already made up, they're all waterproof, you don't have to cut them in pieces, but you can't get them in all the sizes that you might need. But that's actually with these Schluter ones that are made up of kerdi-board, you can actually resize them if you want. Like the ones in here, the ones that I'm putting up here, these were actually two 12 by 28, no, I think they were, 12 by 28 niches that had to be made to a different size. I think they were like 16 by 20 or something or other. So what I did was just cut them, used the pieces that fell off, glued them together with the kerdi fix, and then resize the niche and put them up. And it's a lot easier to do this than trying to make, framing it out and putting, building a niche from scratch. So maybe in another video I'll show exactly how I did that. So just so you know, you can always resize a niche if you have to, as long as it's made out of foam board.